Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome. Ever wonder how to connect your printer to your MacBook without the usual headaches? It's much simpler than you think, especially with recent macOS updates. This guide, fresh for 2025, will show you exactly how to get your printer up and running in just a few straightforward steps. Whether it's wireless or wired, we'll cover everything you need to know, making printing from your Mac effortless and quick. Let's dive in and connect your devices seamlessly. Before we jump into the connection process, let's get both your MacBook and printer ready. Make sure your printer is plugged in and turned on, showing no error lights. For wireless connections, it's crucial that your printer is already connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your MacBook. If you're planning a wired connection, simply have the appropriate USB cable ready to link your devices. These quick checks ensure a smooth setup moving forward. For many of you, connecting wirelessly via AirPrint will be incredibly simple. If your printer supports AirPrint, which most do now, your MacBook will likely find it automatically. Just ensure both devices share the exact same Wi-Fi network. Open any document, perhaps a web page or a photo, click File, then Print, and look for your printer's name in the drop-down list. Select it, and you're often good to go, no extra drivers needed. Sometimes, a direct wired connection is preferred or even necessary for older models. Simply take your USB cable and connect one end securely into your printer and the other into any available USB port on your MacBook. Your Mac should instantly recognize the new device. It might even automatically download and install any required drivers, making this process almost as straightforward as a wireless setup. Just follow any on-screen prompts you receive. With your printer now connected, the final step is to print a test page. This confirms everything is working perfectly. If you encounter any issues, head over to System Settings on your Mac, find Printers and Scanners, and make sure your printer is listed and active. You can also try removing and re-adding it there. Keep your Mac OS updated, as this often resolves compatibility problems, ensuring your printing experience remains smooth and reliable for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.